What we have here is a multi-use brake removal tool. You see all these guys right here? And here is a brake shoe retaining spring tool. Find the right size, push it in until the slide is aligned, then boom, it's off. One more time. The spring removal portion has a lip that you twist until it's under the spring and it dislodges. I was shooting this with one hand, so normally I have another hand holding the spring when the tension comes off it. It's not always pretty. Always wear safety glasses. Pro tip, if you have one side of the springs off, just go ahead and pull it all off by hand. So now we're putting the springs back on. I've marked where to put the tool and how to set up the spring for installation. And of course, here's another angle. That's it. Now you're a pro.